last week in New York, what it was called EVA AI Café was a pop-up where people could go for a Valentine's date if they didn't have one and date an AI. And it was a whole cafe set up. You could get drinks and all that. It was the same setup it was in a wine bar in
Yeah.
Manhattan, and they had a little phone stand and all that. You could go on a date with AI. First, Jason, is that too far? Should we date our AIs? I don't know. Sorry, I don't know if you're in a relationship or anything, but if you weren't, would you date one? And what would you tell it? Like, are we getting to the point? Like, I've told Dustin this in the past. Like, people have married their avatars. We've seen that, right? In their favorite video games. Okay. And a few people have, they date wife. I learned what waifus were at Comic-Con against my will, right? But now I know as well. So I know those exist. I can understand people going on dates with these AIs, but are we going too far with that? And what are your thoughts?
Jason's like, isn't this a cybersecurity podcast? Like, what do you got?
Cybersecurity crisis, midlife crisis, a cybersecurity podcast, midlife crisis, and dating advice show. There you go.
There you go.
Look, it's a little bit out. So a couple of things. Like, I come down in the camp right now that this is still deterministic mathematics. Like, I don't think it's magic.
Yes.
I think it's really, really good at essentially constructing arguments and language based on how we prompt it. Maybe that's just from peering under the hood so much. Like, I get the whole Jeffrey Hinton, right? It's not a probabilistic parrot. It's a little bit more than that, but still, it still feels like it's a really smart probabilistic parrot, right? Like, it is identifying features at different levels in the hierarchy, but it's still then, it produces a token and you feed it back in and then it gives you the next one and you feed it back in. If people are going in tongue in cheek, then like I could certainly see it as being interesting and a party gag, but yeah, I do think there's a danger in people taking it too seriously.
Yeah.
I'd say the more close to home is just making sure, and I try and do this with my people and my team, is we need to use these tools to run fast and to be amplified, but we're still responsible for the outcome. Right? Like, I
Agreed.
can't blame
Agreed.
the airplane crash on the autopilot. I'm still responsible.
Yep. Yeah.
Which I think that's more of a work setting than the spirit of your question.
It's a good answer. It's an adult answer. And, sometimes we need adults on the show. So I like it. Thank you so much, Jason.